So what I want to demonstrate for you today is the potato lab that you're going to be doing next class. So it is a lab about osmosis, and you will be putting various potato cores into different concentrations of sucrose and measuring what happens to the potatoes over a certain amount of time. So I'm just going to demonstrate what you're going to do that day when you come in. You've got a potato, you've got a cork borer that you're going to use to generate the cylinders. You've got a glucose solution or sucrose solution, whatever. You'll need a scalpel, a weigh scale, and ready to go. All right, so you never want to do this just in case that thing goes through and comes out the other side of your hand. That's not a good thing. So make sure you put it down on the table like this and all the way through. Okay. Now sometimes you'll need a glass rod or something to kind of push the potato core out. Okay, so there you go. There's your potato core. What you need to do is you need to chop off the ends of that, and then it's worthwhile to try and measure and stay with a relatively consistent size. So you can use a ruler and cut it to a certain length. Again, what that length is, it doesn't really matter as long as you're consistent. Okay, so you've got your potato core, and you want to deal with it fairly quickly, okay, before it dries out too much. But you do want to take it onto your paper towel and just give it a quick little roll and dab off the excess liquid. Okay. Once you do that, you want to put it on the scale and take the mass of it. So I put that down, take the mass, and make sure you write that down. Now, the trick about this is you are going to be given different colored solutions, but you are not going to be told what the concentration of sucrose is. You're going to figure that out later. So this is just water, this is just clear water, but you will have colored solutions that you're dealing with. So you're going to need to make sure you know which of the cylinders goes into which color tube and how much they weighed in the first place. So I'm just going to pop that in there. Okay. Then you're also going to need a piece of parafilm, okay, this clear stretchy stuff, okay, because we're going to put these in a water bath, and you don't want any liquid evaporating. So you want to put this on top, hold it with your thumb, and then stretch it over top, okay, and then wind it around and stretch it again, maybe do it again, okay. So that's nice and tight, okay, so that you can do this and without any problems. Okay, so there's your solution. You're going to incubate that in a water bath about 40 degrees or so for about 30 minutes. Okay, after which you're going to take it back out, remove this, take the parafilm off, drain the water somewhere, preferably in the sink, and you've got your potato core. Now remember, you have to make sure that you, again, dab off excess liquid, because you don't want that contributing to your mass. And then you mass it again. Okay, so you'll do that with about 5 or 6 different solutions, and then you should be good to go.